Meet the Starcraft SVX 230 Outboard, the biggest model in the SVX lineup and fully loaded for premium days on the water. From the outside, it's all sleek lines, a full wraparound windshield, and a bold profile that lets you know this isn't your average deck boat. Up front, the bow lounge features plush wraparound seating, EVA soft touch mats, and a removable cockpit table, perfect for cruising, lounging, or sunset snacks with the crew. The forward swim platform adds extra boarding space when pulling up to the beach or anchoring at the sandbar. As you move midship, the cockpit opens wide with dual consoles, soft flooring, and tons of space to stretch out. On the port side, you've got a sink station and extra seating with storage tucked underneath. At the helm, you'll find Mercury engine controls and a captain's seat designed for comfort and control. This SVX 230 also includes a fully enclosed head, giving you the freedom to stay out longer with more privacy for guests. In the stern, the rear platform is lined with EVA mats and includes multiple storage compartments, great for wet bags, fenders, or dock lines. A swim ladder off the back makes water access easy. And under the hood, you're looking at a Mercury 250 horsepower outboard, smooth, powerful, and ready to handle anything from island hopping to water sports. This SVX 230 Outboard is in stock now at Nautical Ventures. Come tour it in person or visit us online at nauticalventures.com to schedule your private showing. Nautical Ventures, the go-to people for fun on the water.